and welcome to the Sister Cousins Lifestyle Channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm in the living room and I'm going to be switching over from my spring decor to my summer decor. Not doing a lot. I didn't do a lot for spring either, so this is going to be a really quick video and I'm just going to get right to the point. So if you'd like to see how it turns out, then just keep watching. So most of the things that are in my fireplace, I'm actually going to leave because I recently started to add more white items in here. So I'm just doing a little bit of dusting and, just getting things cleaned up a little bit, This is a piece I thrifted. I shared this, I think it was last week. I thrifted it and did a little DIY to change the color to match my decor. Very, very happy with that little piece. And I'm just gonna take my books out here and just get rid of some of this dust. I'll dust my books later. I don't want to get this stuff on it. I'm using this Pledge multi-surface cleaner. When I was a kid, Pledge was just furniture polish, but they actually have a multi-surface cleaner, and I just bought it because I wanted to give it a try. It works all right. Nothing extra. Woo. So how y'all doing? It's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday right now. How's everybody doing? Y'all doing y'all housework for the weekend? I do mine every week, and it's all for naught because my grandkids come and visit over the weekend, and by the end of the weekend, my house is tore up. I mean, tore up. I cannot keep my house clean for anything nowadays. All right. Woo, getting up off the floor, child, is no joke. No joke at all. So I've got this vase and I've got these black, I think they're called river stones, and I'm gonna put those around the vase on the outside. Gotta be careful not to break my vases because I am infamous for breaking glass. I will break everything. I'm terrible, I am so clumsy. So I'm just gonna fill around here with the river stones. Try not to have any fatalities here. Ooh. I didn't want to put them in there first because then I wouldn't be able to get the vase inside of here, so that's why I'm doing it this way. I thought that would be a better idea. We'll see. All right, this is not fun. Filling these stones is such a tedious task because I'm really trying to be as careful as possible and not break these stones, or break my vase. I got this big vase from Home Goods. I think it was $12.99, and the smaller vase that's in the middle was $7.99, also at Home Goods. So I'm going with a lot of tropical things in my home for the season. So I've got some tropical greenery here that I'm going to be using in this vase to decorate it. So let's see how this turns out. Just gonna stuff these down in the middle vase and then try to organize them. Got these little leaves here. They were on clearance at Hobby Lobby for $1.74, and I bought several of them. I actually love the way that they look. You can kind of stretch them out or use them close up, but they're very, very different and exotic looking. So I'm actually gonna use those to try to like fill in, to make like a rim around here if I have enough of them. Let's see how that turns out. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you're not currently subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a video. And if you're returning family, welcome back. I hope that you are enjoying my summer home decor series. Be sure to come back by on Wednesday so that you can see what I will be sharing next in my home. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.